Really?
Yeah.
First, let's identify yourself from the place.
Yeah, man. Orlando Hamilton, Burger community.
Yeah, what is happening here at this time?
So we have like 2 hours of rain today, and I was called by some of the residents to come and see the condition of what is happening in the community. And you know, it was no surprise to see that, you know, the level of flooding that has been taking place inside the community. I just want the government, I want the NWA to know that this is now an emergency. This is an emergency situation happening in Burger Gully that needs to be addressed, because residents have to be evacuating their premises. Some of the shops, the local shops, goods have been damaged, have to be thrown out because of the level of flooding that has happened from this particular section of the Burger Gully. We have shed some light on this 2 years ago, and we are back here. We are back here again with the same situation. Not even the same, worse. The situation has been worsened, and it is immediate. This needs immediate attention from the government. I know they are saying that the NWA came, engineers came, several persons came and looked at it to do estimate and to get the work done. We need attention now. We need this to happen now, because several homes have been damaged. Residents have been displaced all over, and it is an emergency situation. It is an emergency situation. So this particular damage that has happened today, I would say 30% of the residents in this particular area have to be evacuated, and then another 65% of persons have been affected. Loss of furniture, food items, appliances. I say a lady just showed me the stove, showed me a washing machine. Another lady across there, Auntie Bev, our deep freeze mash up, and that's her livelihood that she used to sell her juice and, you know, keep our food frozen for our projects and, you know, for our livelihood. We cannot live with this. We cannot live with this. It has to be. Yo, I don't know. I can't find words to say what needs to happen right now. It is now an emergency. It's an emergency situation. It is an emergency situation. We cannot play politics with this. We need this to be fixed now. So I know Member of Parliament Philip Powell has been making representation, trying his best to get the funding that is necessary to fix this gully. The entire flooring of the gully has been damaged. As a result of that, now the water is now undermining the wall, the gully wall, and the undermining, causing it to burst and overflow. The overflow flooding out the community and damaging residents' furniture and stuff like that. Every time the rainfall, this is what happened, because this is a major gully that takes the water from uptown straight to the ocean, to the harbor. So we need this to be remedied right now, because it is now a crisis. It's an emergency situation in the community. The residents are not having it no more. Please, we need some assistance. I know that the Prime Minister, you know, is big on development. Please don't play politics with this one. Come to Burger community, assist the residents right now, because it's an emergency situation right now before there are loss of lives. It's a public health hazard, you know, because when the dead animal them come down and, you know, breed up the mosquito and all of them thing there. It is a public health hazard. That's